All right, guys, for you that watched my original video when I first got the car and saw a few videos of me working on it and getting it going. Well, back in August of 2023, I ended up getting hit by a semi out in West Virginia, heading towards Ohio for the 944 Fest. And I didn't want to post anything until I would, be done dealing with the insurance. And so finally, after 7 months, it's getting repaired. And so that is the damage right there. You can see where the wheel lugs of the tractor trailer or semi lean on that door. There's a tire mark. And then this back here was caused by the step, that aluminum or metal step, so they can climb up into the cabin. Hit right there in the door and the wheel. So I'm about to drive it to the shop, drop it off, and I'm gonna start working on it. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get some pictures in between when it's getting repaired, and I'll be able to share those when the time comes. All right, thanks for watching.